What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are wrapping a Dodge Charger SRT8 in Pearl Cherry Pink by Tinybot. I did a Jeep in pink, but that was by Tech Wrap. So this car is getting Tinybot. There's a lot of things that I will need to take off. Of course, the taillights, the headlights, the bumper. The bumper is pretty easy to tackle, but we do need to take off the spoiler to wrap the trunk, the emblems. Now with this door handle, I will not be wrapping the whole piece. I'll be wrapping just this piece, just because of how difficult it is trying to get in here, and just, you know, it's gonna peel later on. So why not just do this pink, leave this black, you know, don't have to be everything pink here. We will wrap this probably either in carbon fiber or pink. Gotta remove this, of course, remove this to wrap the roof. So there's a lot of things you gotta, you know, remove, prep it up before you actually put the wrap on it. But nevertheless, let's get to it. I'm gonna be updating you guys as I always do, and can't wait to see this car, how it's gonna look in the sun. All right, you guys, little update on the car so far. We did already both sides, the quarter panel, the doors. This is what I was talking about. I'm gonna show you. See how it looks really good. I feel like this pink goes really well with the gloss black. So for the spoiler, I might do something with it. Maybe leave it gloss black, or maybe pearl pink, this color on top, and then just leave the bottom gloss black. Look, even the spider approves it. It's loving the pink. Oh yeah, it looks really good. I just really wish these stands came apart from this top part. That way I can do one piece on the bottom and then another piece on top, and then do the stands either in one piece or two piece, depending how you do it. I might do it in one piece and just cut a line maybe somewhere over here where you don't see it, just blend it in. But that's not gonna happen because these stands are literally a part of this top part. So yeah, I'm not really about to do like 4 pieces on the bottom. It's gonna look awful. So what I might do is just do one piece on the top, this color, pink, and just go really nice with knifeless tape. And that way it's gonna have like a two-tone, pink on top, black on the bottom, and that might go well with another black, which is the door handle. See what I'm doing here? It looks really nice. One thing I gotta point out though, so usually you'll need 65 feet to wrap a car, not this car, because of the doors. They're very long. Newer Charger, it literally ends right here. So you don't gotta worry about this top piece. And usually you could fit 2.5. You just cut, like, I think it's 4 feet across, right? And then you cut up just 5 feet, whatever. And you split it in half, 2.5. You could literally fit that same row on both doors. This car, it's one row, cut another row, do that times 4 for 4 doors. So it requires a lot more material. So yeah, the 65 feet that I have currently will finish up the fender and the front bumper. And then the 15 feet that I bought on top will finish up the hood and the roof. Just want to point that out. There you guys have, we finished it. So the roll came within 2 days. Tinybot just expedited the service. I got the roll really quick. So yeah, shout out to Tinybot on the fast shipping that they provide. And yeah, we finished the hood, the roof, and what else did we do? We did this fender right here with the second row. In the meantime, let me point out something else. This bumper is really aggressive. So this part right here is done separate from the actual row that I already pre-cut. So basically we cut up a row, got it right here, cut it. I followed this line pretty precisely, and then I took the actual row and just wrapped everything. Yeah, this bumper is really weird. Like, it's too much going on. So you really gotta know what you're doing when it comes to wrapping this particular bumper. 07 Charger. So there you guys have it in the sun. Looks so good. So the owner's on its way. We'll park it up in the garage, and we're gonna do a review. I want to see what they will think. Got 6.1 liters, no joke. Looks so good though. I'm not even kidding you guys. The camera does no justice. This Pearl Cherry Pink is no joke. All right, guys, let's put it in the garage. Let's see what they think. All right, there we go. It's happening.
Oh shit, what's hella mean?
Looks so good. Huh?
Yeah, it really does.
Looks really...
Oh, nice color, bro.
Dude, in the sunlight, it does no justice.
Hell of a nice color.
Yes, sir.
Damn, bro.
Looks so
Oh,
good.
looks so good, bro.
Just take it up in the sun. You'll see what I'm talking about. This thing's no joke. I like this color, actually. There you guys have it. There she's gone. All right, guys. That was a fun project. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.